How you guys doing? Zen's Mowers, December 6, 2017, which will be today 4 years since I made my first YouTube video. You can scroll down my list of about 70 videos and see it. Made it back on December 6, 2013, but today this mission is different. I'm unboxing one of these Shop-Vacs from Lowe's that went on sale during Black Friday. And yeah, let's see what's good inside. It's a 12-gallon, 6-horsepower Shop-Vac brand vacuum cleaner. First thing you'll see is the bag, tubing, and you'll see the vacuum itself, which I'm going to have trouble getting out of the box, so I'll cut the video here. So it's about 15 minutes after I took this out of the box. This is that Shop-Vac box. This is the Shop-Vac here. I bought 4 of these at Black Friday at Lowe's for $39.99 when they were on sale. That's their good sale. I bought them so I can sell them, but I'm making this video so that you guys can see what they're like, because I haven't seen many of these. There's your 7-foot tube, your drain port, motor. I put the handles on with a socket and ratchet. You could use a flathead, but I figure to speed things up I'd use a ratchet. I'll take inside the bucket. Yeah, that's the cord over there. I still hadn't taken the paper out of the bucket, but this is everything. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day. So, and last reminder before I leave, this coming Sunday, I'm getting a huge delivery. Small engines, 2 tractors, a mini bike, and a generator. You'll see that. Alrighty, have a nice day.